Hi, my name is Gina Crawley, and welcome to another episode of Debtors' Rights. Today, we're going to talk about protecting your child support from creditors. Now, what you want to file is a document called the Request to Protect Income and Assets. Now, first off, know this. Sometimes there could be a filing fee associated with filing this document. Now, if there is a filing fee and you cannot afford to pay that fee, you want to ask for an affidavit of indigency. Ask the clerk for that document. Fill that document out. What that tells the court is that you cannot afford to pay your filing fees. The court will take that document, they will review that document, then they will determine whether or not you can afford to pay the filing fees. If the judge, agrees with you, then the filing fees will move to the end of the case. They will not go away, but the filing fees will not stand in the way of you filing this document. So if you need to file this document and there is a filing fee, remember to ask for an affidavit of indigency. So let's get started with this. So with this document here, the court, you want to write in the name of the court. You want to select your county. You want to write in your file number, docket number, your case number. You need to write in the creditor's name, and that information should be on the front of the civil warrant somewhere within the lawsuit. You want to write their name there. And then where it reads defendant/debtor, that's where you would write your information in. Then you want to write in the employer's information. And then next you want to check the other box. And you want to write a phrase, something like asking that my child support payments be exempted. A phrase, something like that. And then you want to attach proof. Make sure you have proof of your child support payments. You want to, and that could be in the form of a court order or maybe actual deposits going into your bank account. Okay. And if you supply your banking information, then you want to make sure that you white out your account information, because sometimes when these documents are filed and attached to these documents, they could end up in the public record, and you don't want your banking information, your account number, to be in the public record. Now this is page 2 of this document, so you want to sign it, you want to date it, you want to be sure that you get your hearing date. That is important, and so that part it's generally completed by the clerk, and they'll sign that part and make sure that it can give you your hearing date. So make sure that you get your hearing date. That date is very important because on that date you'll learn whether or not your child support payments will be protected from creditors if you've been sued by one in Tennessee. So you want to complete the certificate of service as well too, and basically that's proof that signals to the court that you gave a copy of this request to protect income and assets to the other side. So you could either mail this document to them, you could either hand deliver it to them, or this document may even be e-filed if you're in a county that's on an e-file, an electronic filing system. Now you want to write in the name of the creditor that sued you. Again, that information should be, within the civil warrant, somewhere within that lawsuit should be the name of the person who sued you. You write their information in there. You write in that person's address. Then you would write in the date that you mailed it, or the date that you e-filed it, or the date that you hand delivered it to the creditor. Then you want to sign the document as well too. And then make sure that you keep, so you would mail a copy to the creditor, or if it's e-filed, then of course it will be served electronically, or if you hand deliver a copy to the creditor. But make sure that you keep a copy for your records. Okay, now this is the part that the judge will complete. Make sure that you go to your court date. Your proof should already be attached, but if for some reason you forget to attach your proof, that's okay. Just bring it with you when you come to court, because the judge, you have to give the court something to look at, some sort of proof, a court order, accounting information, your banking information, banking statement showing that child support payments are being deposited in your bank account. So, and try to see if the creditor will agree, and if they don't agree, then make sure that you go before the judge, or even if they do agree, still go before the court, because you need the judge's signature on this document to signal to all parties involved that your child support payments are protected, which means the creditor can't use your child support payments to satisfy this judgment here. They can't go into your bank account to get your child support payment money. So to get this document, just use the link in the description. So thank you so much for watching. No attorney-client relationship was formed by watching this video. This is general information. I am getting the word out. My name is Gina Crawley. I am an attorney out of Nashville, Tennessee. And just spread the word. Let someone know who has been sued by a creditor, who may be receiving child support payments, that there is a document out there called Request to Protect Income and Assets, that there's some help that they can get out there to make sure that their child support payments are protected from creditors. And so just spread the word. Thanks so much for watching, and remember to enjoy your day. Thank you.